Only 2 days remain before a potential U.S. government shutdown. Welcome to today's 24-hour global financial update. Today's focus: the risk of a U.S. government shutdown is rising. The Federal Reserve's decisions may be affected, and market sentiment is entering a critical stage. Only 2 days remain before a potential U.S. government shutdown. If Congress fails to pass a temporary funding bill by midnight on September 30th, non-essential departments will shut down. This could delay the September jobs report, leaving the Federal Reserve without key data before its late October meeting. Increasing policy uncertainty. The oil market faces new turbulence as the EU reinstates nuclear-related sanctions on Iran, and Iran threatens to halt cooperation with the International Atomic Energy Agency. Meanwhile, OPEC Plus may slightly increase production at its October 5th meeting, adding pressure on supply. JP Morgan remains bullish on U.S. stocks, expecting the market to reach 7,000 points by year-end. However, short-term risks such as seasonal weakness and overheated retail sentiment could trigger pullbacks. Still, the strategy is to buy on dips. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang is optimistic about OpenAI, saying it could become the next trillion-dollar giant and admitting regret for not investing earlier. He also noted that AI inference demand could grow billions of times, showing enormous market potential. Now to the market movements. All three major U.S. stock indexes rebounded: Dow up 0.65%, S&P up 0.59%, Nasdaq up 0.4%. Chip stocks outperformed, with Intel up 4.4% and Global Foundries soaring 8.4%. In Forex, the US dollar index fell, while the euro rebounded near 1.7. Gold edged higher, oil ended a 3-day rally. In crypto, Bitcoin regained $10,000 and Ethereum held above $4,000. Key events to watch today. Markets remain focused on the US government shutdown risk, which could cost about $7 billion in GDP per week if it occurs. This week also brings key data: U.S. non-farm payrolls, ADP employment, Eurozone CPI, and Japan's LDP leadership election on October 4th. Thank you for watching today's market news. If our information is helpful to you, please hit the like button and follow for daily global market insights. We'll see you next time.